Okay, this question is talking about a spinner. Okay, you see here or not? They give you a keyword there repeatedly until a tool is obtained. So when they say repeatedly means that it's keep repeating, that means this one is a geometric mean. They want to get 4, right? So what is the probability? It's a fair spinner. I think it's fair spinner. 1 over 5, 1 over 5, then is 0.2. So it will be, to find the probability of x is equal to 4 means it will be 0.8 power 3, 0.2. So it becomes 0.1024. Next one is find the probability of less than 6. Okay, so probability of x is less than 6 is the same thing as you can start from 1 until 5. Okay, but if you don't want to do this, you can use a shortcut. Okay, remember I told you less than 6 means it's less than or equals to 5, which is the same thing as 1 minus probability of x is more than 5. Okay, why I change to this one? Because I know that if I want to find more than 5, right, I just need to use 1 minus p power 5. Okay, it's a shortcut. Okay, in case you forget, probability of x more than r is the same thing as 1 minus p power r, or you can say q power r. Q means it's not. Okay, so therefore in this question will be 1 minus 0.8 power 5. So you get 0.672. Next one already. So next question, this one is, oh, this is the probability of 2 spinner now. Well, this one we have to make a table again, can? So you must make a table for me. It'll be easier because if you don't make table, all very hard already. I always scared I do wrong also. Sometimes I count less. So what they want, they say that if the number is equal, is 0. So therefore you got 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 0, and 0. This one will be, and then what? Highest minus lowest. 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a 5 spinner. Sorry. It's a 5 spinner. I do too much already. I thought it's 6. Find the probability that is greater than 0 given that the score is not equal to. And that's what it means. It's a given, so it's a conditional probability. So therefore, you can rearrange it. So more than 0 intersect not equals to 2 divided by probability of not equal to. So you can see from the table you draw, so is there any relationship or not? So not equal to 2 means we got how many or not equal to 2? We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 19, right? So 19 over 25. Then more than 0 and not equal to 2. So which one? So basically it's everything except for 0, right? So the answer will be what am I doing except for 0? Wait, let me erase one first. Okay. So it means it will be 14. Okay, 14, right? 14 over 25. So the answer will be 14 over 19. Done. Repeatedly, okay, and then they say it's greater than 2 on the at least 3 occasions. The score last, okay, so the 2 of the spinner. Oh my god, that means I have to make a new table again. Serious? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have a greater than 2. 2 spinner. The score is greater than 2 on the 2 occasions. The score is greater than 2 on 2 occasions. Okay. Is it the previous one? Greater than 2. It's the same question. Yeah, it's the same question. Okay, fine. So this thing, let me copy here first. So more than 2 will be which one? More than 2 will be it's the same question. So more than 2, this confirm is a binomial already. Because your n is equals to 9 already. But what is my p first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it's 6 over 25. So we're looking for what? More than 2. And at least 3 occasions, sorry. At least 3 occasions. At least 3 occasions. Is it? At least 3 occasions. No, at least 3 occasions. So it'll be 1 minus p0. Sorry, 1 minus px equals 0. X equal to 2. Then you count, you write down the working. So you count every single number. Then you can get your answer. So the answer is 0.371. Okay, done.